Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have an unboxing of the new, well, it's not new, it's a 2020 product. Oh, you kind of know what this is about, right? I have MacBook Air on this side, the Apple logo. Well, this isn't new, but I don't think it's relevant either, but I like the way how the boxes look. Every Apple product looks so beautiful when you're unpacking it. You have MacBook everywhere and the Apple logo. Let's then open the box. Well, what do we have here? Nothing. And here's the Apple product, or the Mac. Let me put it aside for a while. Well, here we have the cables. This is the cable, Type C, all the way up to Type C. Both of these are Type C. Apple, why don't you do this more often? Okay, we have more papers. Apple, designed by Apple in California. Oh, papers everywhere. The charger. This charger, 60 watts, 65, 66. I don't remember correctly. Let's just take a quick review of what other things we can find. Okay, let's open it. I chose this color. Well, this is the 256. This is the very basic model. I chose this color because it looks very pretty, and well, I hope it lasts for a while. Let me open it. It's not gonna sound like brand new because, as I told you, I've been using it. Well, I haven't told you, but I've been using it for about a month. Okay, let me open it real quick. As you can see, here is our keyboard. I've already been using it. Nothing relevant, nothing new. This is the MacBook Air M1 2020 version, the 256 gigabytes. It's the very basic model, as I tell you. And what do we have here? As you can see, I barely have one document over here. I don't use it that often. I decided to change my old computer. It was a Huawei MacBook D14. I just thought, well, it's time for me to make a change. But what type of computer? I was actually thinking on an Asus ZenBook 14 OLED before the MacBook. They were around the same price, like for $700, $800. Well, the thing is that when I was about to buy that Asus ZenBook 14, all that this one was on a sale. It was for, well, I bought it in Mexico. That's why you can see this keyboard here. Apple products in Mexico are quite expensive, but I saw this one on a sale. The regular price that you could buy it here in Mexico was around $1,000. And I saw it on sale for $800. I know it's not the newest product, but why did I choose this over the M2 or the M1 Pro or the M2 that's around, like, here in Mexico, probably like $3,000. The thing is that it is my very first MacBook, and I didn't want to screw it up by changing myself to Mac OS, and at the end of the day, I'm not going to like it. So I decided not to spend that much money and just it's Apple. We know it's very good. How to go for the M1 Pro. The 2020 M1 Pro with the one like a touch bar here. But that was a little bit more expensive, and I'm not a big content creator yet. I can start with this, and if this isn't enough and everything goes good, everything goes well, I might buy another one like an M2 Pro. But I'm not ready for that jump right now. I came from around like a $800 laptop, and I didn't want to screw it up all the way up to $1,500 laptop. So I just bought another one that was quite around the same price, but in this case it had another operating system. I wanted to change because I'm not an Apple hater, but I wasn't very sure about getting into Apple, and now I want to kind of get into the Apple ecosystem. So that's quite the reason why I bought the laptop. I hope it does well. I'm gonna start using it as my main laptop. I hope I don't screw it up. I hope everything goes well, and well, let's see if Apple makes me fall in love with their system. And yes, the cheapest one available officially on the page. I will be giving you comments in probably a month or two how I'm doing with this laptop. Like everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As long as I've been using it, I am really enjoying this laptop. Let's see what happens later. See you everyone. I hope you have a good one, and remember to take care.